Hello everyone, welcome to Math Lesson 110. Today we're talking about more with Roman numerals. So we've already started looking at those, and I'm going to pull out our Roman numeral cards. All right, I'm going to show you some, and I want you to tell me what the Roman numerals are. Okay, go. Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. All right, let's keep going. What Roman numeral is this? 1, very good. This is 2, excellent. 3, 4, nicely done. 5, very good. Switch it up a little bit. Ooh, think about what this is. Then you have a smaller one in front of it. You subtract, so this is 10 minus 1 is 9. All right, whoops. This one is 7, nicely done. 8, 6, and 10, perfect. So with Roman numerals, we have some rules, and we've already talked about a couple of these. I want you to look at the green box at the top of page 219. We're on page 219 through 220. Okay, so look at the 3 rules. Let's look at rule number 1. It says add, repeated numerals. The same numeral may not be repeated more than 3 times, and V may not be repeated. Okay, so that's saying, for example, if I have X and X, well, 1X is 10. So I have another X, so I need to add 10 more. So XX is 10 plus 10, which is 20. We're counting by tens, 10, 20. If I have I, that's 1 plus 1 more. So that's 2. What if I have it like this? X, X, I. Well, then I have 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. So 10, 20, 21, 22. That's all you have to do. Can I make 40 like this? Nope, because according to my rules, I can only have 3, no more than 3 of the same numeral. I also cannot repeat V. VV, 5 plus 5, 10. No, can't do that, can't repeat V. Plus, I already have 10. 10 is X, so would not do that. All right, let's look at rule number 2. It says add when a lesser numeral follows a greater numeral. So it's saying that when you have a numeral that is más pequeño, sumar cuando ese numeral es después del el número grande. Por ejemplo, VI. V is 5, I is 1. Since 1 is smaller and it comes after the 5, I add it. Remember, that's opposite from when I have IV, 1 and 5. Here I need to subtract. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay? Rule number 3. Subtract when a lesser numeral comes before a greater numeral. V may not be subtracted. So I couldn't do this. Vx. That would be, because here I have a smaller one in front, so it would have to be 10 minus 5 is 5. Well, that doesn't make any sense anyway, because 5 is just V. Why make it complicated? So you cannot subtract V. All right, let's use these rules to work through exercise 1. I'm going to do letters A through H with you, and you'll have to do I through L on your own. Here we go, let's get started. Letter A is just X. Well, what is X? You guys know X, that is 10, very good. How about V? 5, yes. How about I? 1. Now you can see I like this with the little palitos in the top and the bottom, or you might see I written like this, okay? Either one, you need to recognize it. All right, now let's try this one. X, X, V, I. So this is 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. So 10, 20, 25 plus 1 is 26. And that's all that you have to do. Let's try another one. X, I, X. Well, X I know is 10, I is 1, and X is 10. Well, here, that first 10, I'm going to keep separate for a minute. Then I have IX. So I have, what is IX? That's 10 minus 1, it's 9. So here I have 10 plus 9, because 10 minus 1 is 9. So that's 19. Okay, let's try the next one. VIII. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 8. Very good. 2 X's. XX is 20. Very good. Okay, how about 3 X's? 10, 20, 30. Very good. All right, so we've gone together from A through H. Now do the last line on your own. Let me know if you have any questions about it. Okay, number 2, solve the story problems. Zoe and Eli are helping the librarian organize the books. There are 984 books to divide equally among 6 shelves. How many books will there be on each shelf? Well, this one's super easy. Our problem tells us what we need to do. We need to divide 984 books into the 6 shelves. All right, so do that in workspace A. Letter B, Haley has saved $286.55. Her brother Jack has saved $15 more than she has. How much have the children saved in all? So I want to know what both Haley and Jack have saved together. Well, what do I need to do in order to solve that? Well, do I know how much Haley has saved? Yes, $286.55. Do I know how much Jack has saved? No, I only know that he saved $15 more than Haley. So I have to start by finding how much Jack has saved. So I add that $15 to the $286.55 that Haley has saved. Once you add that and have your total, that will be how much Jack has saved. So then I need to add what Jack has saved. Oops. Plus what Haley has saved. To find out what they have both saved in all. Okay? So put that in workspace B. Number 3 says find the fractional parts. So remember to divide by the denominator. Number 4, divide and check. Number 5, follow the signs. Number 6, reduce these fractions, meaning divide by 2. So letter A, 6 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2. Just follow it along. Let's look at number 7 together. Solve the measurement equation. Okay, So I have 5 pounds plus 29 ounces equals how many ounces? Well, I know I'm looking for ounces. Do pounds and ounces match? No, so the 5 pounds is what I'm going to change. How about these 29 ounces? Do I need to change them? No, because I'm looking for ounces. So the 5 pounds is what I'm going to change. 5 pounds, I'm changing them to ounces from pounds. What's my conversion factor? There are 16 ounces in 1 pound. Since my number is on the top, what do? I multiply. Once I have my answer for 5 times 16, I'll write it right here. Then I need to add it to my 29 ounces to get my final answer. Okay, number 8, you need to solve the equations. Remember, parentheses mean do me first. So your first one you have 12, letter A, plus 7 plus 5 minus 4. So you need to do what's inside the parentheses first. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now add 12 plus 12 is 24 minus 4, 20. So that's all you have to do. Then your brain booster says solve this combination. Well, you have the same denominator, so all you need to do is just go down the line and subtract or add. So start with 5 minus 2, then that answer plus 6, that answer plus 2, that answer minus 8, that answer plus 2, and then keep your denominator the same. All right, that's all for today. Hope you guys have a great day. Love you very much. Bye.